SignNow allows you to collect signatures on purchase agreements in minutes on any device. Upload your purchase agreement to your account and click Prepare and Send. Add buyer and seller as recipients and enter their email addresses. You can add more recipients, such as an agent, right away or later in the process. When preparing a document, SignNow can help you add fillable fields automatically, or you can do it manually. Simply drag and drop the necessary fields from the sidebar and adjust their size to fit the blank spaces in the agreement. Switch between recipients and assign each field to the intended recipient. Set important fields as required before proceeding to the signature invite. Decide whether you want the buyer, seller, and agent to sign the purchase agreement at the same time or in a specific order. Arrange the signing steps the way you see fit. Select an authentication method if you need to ensure secure access to your document. Then, choose what action will occur after document completion. When all is set, hit Send to dispatch your e-signature invite. SignNow features an intuitive drag-and-drop editor that allows you to send and sign documents on any device. Build multi-step workflows across multiple signers and documents. Eliminate repetitive workflows with reusable templates. Send, negotiate, and track your documents and contracts in real time. Collaborate with team members on shared documents and much more. Give it a try today at SignNow.com.